Ever felt like you're spending more time managing your business than actually running it? Drowning in spreadsheets, chasing down orders, and struggling to keep track of inventory? You're not alone. So many business owners, especially in today's fast-paced world, are overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks involved in keeping things running smoothly. They're looking for a solution, a way to streamline operations and regain control of their time. And that's exactly what we're talking about today. We're diving deep into the Lightspeed app, powerful tool designed to help you do just that. We're going to explore how to use Lightspeed step by step so you can finally take your business to the next level. Lightspeed is more than just a point-of-sale system. It's a comprehensive business management platform that can handle everything from sales and inventory to customer relationships and reporting. Think of it as your central command hub, giving you a real-time overview of your entire operation. Whether you're running a retail store, a restaurant, or an e-commerce business, Lightspeed can be tailored to fit your specific needs. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about why using a platform like Lightspeed is so important. In today's competitive market, efficiency is key. You need to be able to process transactions quickly, manage your inventory effectively, and understand your customer base. Without a centralized system, you're likely relying on multiple different tools and spreadsheets, which can lead to errors, inconsistencies, and wasted time. Lightspeed brings everything together in one place, giving you a single source of truth for all your business data. So, how do you actually use Lightspeed? Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to create an account and set up your business profile. This involves entering information about your business, such as your name, address, and contact details. You'll also need to configure your payment processing settings so you can accept payments from your customers. Lightspeed integrates with a variety of payment processors, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Once your account is set up, you can start adding your products or services. This involves creating a catalog of your items, including descriptions, prices, and images. You can also categorize your products to make them easier to find. If you have a large inventory, you can import your product data from a spreadsheet to save time. Now, let's talk about the point-of-sale POS system. This is where you'll process transactions and manage your sales. Lightspeed's POS interface is intuitive and easy to use. You can quickly add items to a sale, apply discounts, and process payments. You can also generate receipts and track your sales history. Lightspeed also offers mobile POS capabilities, allowing you to process transactions on the go using a tablet or smartphone. This is especially useful for businesses that operate in multiple locations or attend events. Inventory management is another crucial aspect of running a successful business. Lightspeed makes it easy to track your inventory levels, set reorder points, and generate reports. You can also use Lightspeed to manage purchase orders and track shipments. This helps you avoid stockouts and ensures that you always have the right products on hand. Lightspeed also offers robust customer relationship management (CRM) features. You can use Lightspeed to collect customer data, track purchase history, and personalize your marketing efforts. You can also use Lightspeed to send email newsletters and promotions to your customers. This helps you build stronger relationships with your customers and increase sales. Reporting is essential for understanding your business performance. Lightspeed provides a variety of reports that you can use to track your sales, inventory, and customer behavior. You can also customize your reports to get the specific insights you need. This data can help you make informed decisions about your business and identify areas for improvement. Beyond the core features, Lightspeed offers a range of integrations with other business tools. This allows you to connect Lightspeed with your accounting software, e-commerce platform, and other applications. These integrations can help you automate tasks and streamline your workflow. For example, you can integrate Lightspeed with your accounting software to automatically sync your sales data. Or you can integrate Lightspeed with your e-commerce platform to manage your online and offline sales in one place. One of the great things about Lightspeed is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Lightspeed can grow with you. You can easily add new users, locations, and features as your business expands. Lightspeed also offers different pricing plans to fit your budget. Now let's walk through a few specific scenarios to illustrate how Lightspeed can be used in different business settings. Imagine you're running a clothing store. You can use Lightspeed to manage your inventory of clothing items, process sales at the checkout counter, and track customer preferences. You can also use Lightspeed to generate reports on your best-selling items and identify trends in customer demand. Or let's say you're running a restaurant. You can use Lightspeed to manage your menu, take orders from customers, and process payments. You can also use Lightspeed to track your inventory of food and beverages and generate reports on your sales and expenses. Lightspeed also offers features specifically designed for restaurants, such as table management and online ordering. Another example is a retail store that also has an online presence. Lightspeed can integrate with the online platform to manage the inventory across both channels, providing a streamlined approach. This integration can help you avoid overselling products and ensures that your inventory is always accurate. These are just a few examples of how Lightspeed can be used in different industries. The possibilities are endless. No matter what type of business you're running, Lightspeed can help you streamline your operations and improve your bottom line. Learning any new software can feel daunting, but Lightspeed has a wealth of resources available to help you get started. They offer online tutorials, documentation, and customer support. Don't hesitate to reach out to their support team if you have any questions or need assistance. They're always happy to help. And, of course, watching videos like this one can be a great way to learn the ropes. So, to recap, Lightspeed is a powerful business management platform that can help you streamline your operations, manage your inventory, and improve your customer relationships. It's a versatile tool that can be tailored to fit the needs of a variety of businesses. By taking the time to learn how to use Lightspeed, you can take your business to the next level. Remember, investing in the right tools is an investment in your future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.